How to create a group on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing ways to create a Facebook group. So in order to create a Facebook group, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and check your internet connection and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to take you to the home page, and after that, all you have to do is just tap the try bar icon from the top left. While you do that, it's going to take you or direct you to the menu page. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option as group. So go ahead and tap on it, and from the list you can see multiple tools. You can see multiple tabs, so click on your group. After that, it's going to show you the particular group that you follow and all sort of things. So to create a group, go ahead and tap on create group. So basically you'll have to create a name and then the privacy type as well. So go ahead and type in the name of the group, select the privacy type, whether you want to make it public or private, and after you've done that, click on create group. As soon as you've done that, on the other page you'll be asked to provide in some of the information, or you'll be asked to invite some of the contact that you wish to add them to your Facebook group. If you don't want to do it so, and all you have to do is tap the invite button. As soon as you do that, the particular or the following person will receive the invitation link, and all they have to do is just tap the invite link and they'll be automatically added to the group. So in this way you can create Facebook group. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.